Hello YouTube, I'm Brian, and he's Reese, and we're going to perform a jackass song today. Well, he's my test on me, Henny, he can't speak at all. Completely muted. Well, he's not normally muted, I'll just muted him. Okay, so today he's going to kick me up the ass with a boot. I didn't really agree to this at the beginning, but it's going to be funny for YouTube. So, for YouTube. Oh yeah, and on one of our other videos, I'll get revenge on him. So he's wearing before we start, he's wearing one of these, a massive high top boot. Yep. Favourites as well. They're all muddy because he kicked it in the muddy ass. Yes. Let's do it straight away, alright? YouTube, this is really happening. Oh, what do you mean? Oh. There you go.